Hello, garden lovers. Okay, so I want to show you guys where my garden's at. It's going to be a quick tour, but this here. Okay, so it's September right now. It's the start of September, and I am planning out this area here, which I got that area and that area pretty much like started. But right now I'm planning this area here. Let's just tour the garden here. This of course is not done yet. That's gonna be a project for next season. Well, not next season, sorry, for next spring, summer. And this one too here, just quick, I'm gonna show you. I have some Joe Pye weed here that's all done. And I'm kind of letting it do its thing right now, see if I can get some more little babies going there. And I did plant little seeds here. I'm trying to remember the name of the plant. I found it in my hedge. Let's go see it. I'll show you what it is. I'm still learning about names of plants and whatnot. So I know it's some sort of hydrangea, but this must have belonged to my neighbor and it kind of reseeded over here or something. So if you know the name of this hydrangea here, they say it's supposed to be a hydrangea. I checked with my plant app, so it's going to be a bush. So I planted some of the seeds over there. I won't be keeping all of them for sure, but I may just give some on Marketplace or something. So anyhow, let's see how that goes. So to start off, we can start off from the back here. This is a client that gave me this big leaf hydrangea. No, the other one's not a hydrangea, sorry. The other one is not a hydrangea. It is a, because these are hydrangeas. Let me think about it. So yes, this is a big leaf hydrangea here that she gave me, that she pulled from her garden. And it gave me quite a number of little leaves. I just planted this like maybe a month and a half ago, maybe 6 weeks ago. She gave me these also. Wow, it's getting chilly out here. She gave me these here also. These are hostas. I figured being behind these grasses will help because hostas don't like to be too much in the sun. So look at this here. This hollyhock is huge. Look at how big it is. And see how it's growing it's growing funky. The reason why is because it had fallen back, and then since it was like this, it started growing like that. I brought it back up, and now it's going back up like that. Isn't that funny? So anyhow, this beautiful flower here. These hollyhocks, usually hollyhocks come every other year, but these are true perennials, this one. This one is called the, Alicia Black Knight. Alicia Black Knight. All right. So I have some of these coming along. These are doing really good. Of course, we have some yellowing of the leaves, which is normal this time of year. It's really cool at night. So those are coming along nice. More hydrangeas here. I got some, hang on. This one is the blue, it's the blue fountain grass. I just got these. They were on special for like $20 instead of $40. There's 2 more back there. I got to get these planted before the fall, of course. Like it should be now. My sedum, I took the sedum from the front side of my house and it spread like wildfire. It's crazy. I have here some beautiful ginger love fountain grass. These turn really like brown. Look at that. Like that. I don't know if they'll get browner. Maybe. This is absolutely gorgeous here. This is the silver grass. Look at this. It's pretty. The plant itself kind of went through some sort of shock when I planted it. This was mail in. So yeah, so I ordered these and planted them. They all got the same amount of water and everything, but this plant just for some reason, but is still alive. It's giving me these shoots here, so next year it should be fine. This one I transplanted also from this, from in front, no, the side of my house, sorry. And yeah, it's just, you know, not doing anything. It's just doing its roots here. These are some cone flowers. I should have probably taken off that little flower, but anyhow, my David Austin roses are doing absolutely amazing. I ordered these also online, and when I got them, it was just one cane. It only had one cane, and it's just growing like crazy. The only thing is I ended up getting, see, those, what are they called? Butterfly. These little white butterflies. It has something to do with a vegetable. Cabbage butterflies, that was called. And they were laying their eggs on there, and then I noticed there was these little green caterpillars on them. They were eating it. So what I would do is I found out that it's fine if you can take them and just change them and put them on another plant. I didn't want to kill them. You know, they were saying, oh, just squish them, and no, I didn't want to kill them. So I did squish one in the beginning, and I felt guilty, and I says, no, I can't do that. So I took it to my grapevine, and I laid them into the grapevine, and apparently they'll just eat that leaf and they'll be fine and turn into beautiful little white butterflies. So this sedum is doing amazing. Look at the beautiful colors that are coming out. I'm guessing this might be a two-part video. Look at this here. We got a nice bumblebee that's all happy to have some of that sweet flower there. These are the Veronicas. They're the ever after. They are seriously ever after. They just keep blooming and reblooming. And it's funny how just the tip here just separates in you know, it just, instead of being one, because they start off like with one flower stalk, and then it starts separating into different flower stalks at the tip. See here too? And it just keeps going, but I keep cutting down like those. That one, I gotta take that one out. I just keep cutting it down to be sure that I can get more flowers coming. Sedum's doing great here. We got these little guys in last week. They had been under my Japanese maple for almost 15 years, and the Japanese maple there's just too much shade, so they're all tiny. So I changed some spots, so there's going to be a lot of sun for them here. Here are my beautiful Shasta daisies. These are these Isabel. They are just so pretty. But I don't find they last very long, so I gotta cut this one down. I just cut them. The placement of all of these here, this is the first year. I'm probably going to be, no, not only probably, I will be changing some plants around. You know, I'm learning about all of this. They give you heights and stuff when you buy your plant, and then the height's not always the same as they say. Oh, look, we got a beautiful butterfly right here. Hello, butterfly. Look at those colors, guys. Wow, beautiful, I love it. Oh, what are these called again? This one's coming along. What are they called again? Oh, I'm forgetting the name, but they are, sorry about that loud noise, but they're coming along, and I didn't expect them to be this high. I got this off of a lady on Marketplace, and it was about this tall, and it was in a little paper cup. She was just, you know, weeding whatever her garden, and she was just selling some of her flowers that she had extra. So, which I think I will be doing also eventually. And I planted it there, and I never thought it would get this big. I just, you know, and then I have this one over here. What's the name of this? I remember the name of this. What is the name again? Oh, that's the sedum. What's the name of this? I know what this is. I don't know why I'm not thinking of the name, but it's being squished by this one here. Oh, okay. I go around my garden and I try to remember all the names here. These balloon flowers here, they will all be together. That one, And this one is being squished. So I gotta take that out and plant them all together. These two, I'm going to be moving these also. I really don't remember the name of this flower. It looks like baby's breath, but there was another name. I will be moving that one also. It's being totally crushed by all of these beautiful Shasta daisy leaves here. So I'll be able to pull that out. And my Russian sage, beautiful. I am in love with this plant. I just love this plant. I planted them just a few weeks ago, maybe a month ago. And so, yeah, next year I'll be filling everything out with annuals. You'll see through the winter, well, for me, through the winter, and it might be through summer for you, because I'm not sure when this is going to be uploaded, but I have a whole bunch of videos uploaded this summer, and you'll see me growing some seeds, starting everything from seed. Yes, I have some coneflowers here. These are the Magnus Superior. Magnus Superior. They are beautiful. I'm so in love with coneflowers. This one, I wrote the name down somewhere. I gotta find it, but this one is absolutely gorgeous. I love this color. I want to have more of these next year. I gotta get a whole bunch of these. This color is just beautiful, and I love it with this hydrangea here. Excuse me. This is the vanilla. Is it vanilla strawberry or strawberry vanilla hydrangea? So I'm not sure which came first. But what happened is I had planted it in the summer, and look how the flowers they burnt before even turning pink. So they turn pink once everything gets a little cooler, but it was so hot this summer when I planted them, they kind of got a little bit of a shock. My new love, my butterfly bush, which I will be pruning later on today. I am in love with butterfly bush. It doesn't seem like much right now because it just needs to be pruned and it needs new flowering, new flowers, but this smells amazing and I want more in the back here. I started some cuttings because you can start them from cuttings also. Okay, so yeah, and I got some yarrow also and some more grasses here. These apparently here, these are the obedient plant, and obedient because you can just move it around and it just stays where you tell it to stay. Look at that. I'll toss this over, go that way, or go this way. It's funny. But all of these are seeds. All the seeds are in there. See all the dark? The seeds are in there. All of it. And apparently obedient plants, they get big and they also seed a lot. And I actually want pretty much all of this to be obedient plant. So I am fine with it seeding a lot. Sedum. Beautiful sedum. Oh, this one is actually turning a beautiful peachy color here. We got a fly on the sedum. Beautiful peach color there. Not sedum, yarrow. What am I saying, guys? Yarrow, yarrow, yarrow. You're probably yelling at me, that's not sedum! And this is a mugo pine or muggo pine. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but anyhow. And we have some liatris. These are beautiful here. They were all done, so I just cut them down because they were looking a little wonky, so this needs to be finished off. I did this week. Last week. I started last week. So this is a new part of the path that's coming along. New part of the path. This is going to be another flower bed. I just got these off Amazon. These are absolutely amazing. They are solar. So, yeah, I guess this really became a video in itself. Oh, I want to show you what my daughter got me. This is so cute. She got this for my birthday. Look at this. At night, the little lamp, the little light glows because it's, you know, solar powered. So yeah. So that was pretty much a nice little tour of the garden, I think. I hope you like it. I'm still working hard, and thank you for being here. And yeah, please like, subscribe, and join the channel. Join the channel, please, and keep on keeping on. And I have so much more to do, so I'll see you in the next video. Take care for now. Bye.